Hey friends, Dan here at DSM Woodwork out near Kalamazoo, Michigan. Today I'm going to do my best to attempt and make a dado router jig, just like this one. Check it out. The plans that I found online this week mentioned finding 2 3/4 inch thick plywood or hardwood scraps to make the dado router jig. So we're going to go hunt for some. Alright, so one thing that I should mention here before we get started is that the dados I'm going to be running are going across 1x12. So I have to make sure with my plywood scraps that I found, I found some poplar here, but it's a little bit bowed along this way, and I want to make sure that I have something as flat as I can get. So we're not going to use the poplar today, we're going to use this birch plywood scrap that I found. But effectively the design is going to be something like this. And what I need to make sure, however I arrange this is the piece that's going to butt up against the side of the 1x12 where the dado is going to be running across, kind of as a starting point, and then I can go into the board. But I need to make sure that my fence here that the router is going to be up against is at least 11 1/4 inches to match the dimensions of the 1x12 poplar. So that's what we're going to be shooting for today. So here we want to make sure that we are getting our fence squared to kind of the base plate of the jig. So I've got a square right here. The other side is a little bit of overlap here, not much but a tad. Alright, so next I'm going to reset it, but we're going to put a little bit of glue on the base plate here, and we're going to attach it with some screws, and then it should be ready to get the dado bit through. So I have pre-marked holes where I'm going to have my screws. I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill them in. I'm using 1 1/4 inch Craig pocket screws for softwood because it's the only length screw that I have that'll work right now. And actually, I'm going to do a pilot hole. I think that'll be better. want to be the first to tell you that I'm not perfect. I messed up on this build. When I went to run the router into a test piece, I gouged out a little bit there at the bottom of the track. So I had to make a new one. Went much more smoothly. Take a look.